Hello guys, welcome to MailsDaddy. While making system changes, changing Windows editions, or using another version of Outlook, we need to add an old PST file in Outlook so that we can access the email database again. In this video, we will learn how to import PST file in Outlook. This is the PST file that we will import in Outlook. We can add PST file in Outlook in two ways. Either we can create a new mailbox in Outlook and move the PST file to it, or we can add the PST file in the existing mailbox. So let's first know how to create a new mailbox. For this, first open Outlook. Now click on New Item, select More Items, and click on Outlook Data File. Now put the name of new mailbox and then click OK. So this is a newly created mailbox. Let's now import the PST file in Outlook. For this, first click on File, select Import and Export and click on Import Export. Now the Import and Export wizard has opened. Here select Import from another program or file and click on the Next button. Now select Outlook Data File option and press the Next button. Now click on the Browse button and select the location of your imported PST file. Select any one in these advanced options. Here I am going with first option. After that, click on Next. Now select the PST file. You can also select only that folder whose data you want to import in Outlook. These are some filter options. If you want to apply any filter in imported data, you can use these options. Disable this if you do not want to import subfolder databases. Now choose Mailbox where you want to import PST file database and press the Finish button. Now wait till the process is over. So this is the process of importing PST file in Outlook. Your feedback is very important for us, so please share your feedback with us in the below comment section. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to MailsDaddy channel. Also enable the bell icon to always stay connected with us.